Rogeline Baranas. Atong tagaan o pinakadakong magpapakasili si Hal Rogeline Baranas. Thank you. Gratitude makes every celebration more meaningful. To express our thanks, let us call on Sophia May and El Garden from Barangay Zone 5 Learner for the word of thanks.
Honored guests, to our beloved Mayor, Honorable Shafford Lino S. Tan, for MSWDO staff, headed by Mrs. Princess Grace Lufnado Navarez, Child Development teachers, parents, my fellow graduates, friends, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all of us. Welcome to our morning update. Can't believe we are finished with daycare. We learn our ABCs, play our friends, and had so much fun. Thank you to our child development teachers, especially to my teacher, Ma'am Rotti F. Arayan, for being patient. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for taking care of us. Now we are ready for big school. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you so much, Sophia, for your heartfelt message. Nakasagot ba ang mga bata at ano? Alright, music.